All right, guys. One last thing we need to do here is actually I'm going to show you guys how to mark a piece of wood properly. There's two ways of marking like a long piece of wood like this, right? So your first option, let's say you're told to cut a bunch of pieces at 2 inches, right? 2 inches, pretty simple. Okay, you get your first piece, 2 inches, right? Marked right here, 2 inches. You're good. Now your next piece, let's say you're told to cut like 10 pieces. You need to go off here, right? You got your 2 inches, perfect, right? Next thing you're gonna need is the 4 inches. So you're thinking you want to mark the 4 exact, right? That's wrong. You're gonna need to go over a 16th. Right here, mark this right here. Now, why do we do that? When we cut with a saw, it's gonna take exactly a 16th off because the blade is a 16th inch thick. So if you don't add this here, you go back to this, you're actually gonna be losing a 16th right there. Always make sure to remember to add the line, right? So you got your 4, now 6, right? You're not gonna add a 16th. You're not going to add the 16th. Now you're going to add a 16th and a 16th, so an 8. So for every one of these that you line up, you add another 16. And then we go to 8. Now we're going to add 3 16s, right? We're adding 3 16s now, boys.